Order of operations, day 3. You have multiplication, you have subtraction in this problem. So multiplication happens first. 3 times 5, that's 15. 15 minus 5, that's 10. Number 2, 5 minus 1, that's 4. So 4 minus 1, that's 3. Number 3, 4 plus 4, that's 8. So 8 minus 4, that's 4. Number 4, you have parentheses and exponents, so you got to do what's inside the parentheses first. 1 plus the 3 is going to give you 4. So 4 squared is really 4 times 4, which is 16. Number 5, you replace the letters with the numbers. So you got parenthesis minus parenthesis minus parenthesis divided by 3. All the blue is stuff that was already there. So I'm going to replace the two y's with the value of 3. So 3 goes here and 3 goes here. I'm going to replace the x value with 5, and that goes there. So you have subtraction and you have division. So the division happens first. You got 3 minus 5. And 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it's really minus 1. So 3 minus 5, that's negative 2. Minus another 1 is negative 3. If you owe one person $2 and you owe somebody else $1, you owe $3. Number 6, I'm going to replace everything with parentheses. I'm not going to do a parenthesis there, but okay, everything in blue was already there. Placing the m, the two m's with negative 4. Replacing the n with negative 2. You have multiplication, division, parentheses. Well, inside the parentheses has to go first. So the negative 2, nothing happens to it. The negative 4 at the moment, nothing happens to it. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. So inside the parentheses, negative 4 minus 1. If you owe $4, you owe another $1, you owe $5. So it's negative 2 times negative 5. Negative times a negative is a positive. 2 times 5 is 10. Number 7, you replace the letters with parentheses. So everything in blue was already there. Replace the Q with 3. You replace the P with 1. So 3 plus, this is really 1 times 1, which is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Number 8, replace everything with parentheses, the letters. So everything in blue was already there. The y value is 3. The x value is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Number 9, you got parenthesis plus parenthesis divided by 5. Again, everything in blue was already there. Replace the x with 4. You replace the z with 5. The division happens first, so 4 plus 5 divided by 5 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Number 10, the parentheses are already there, so I'm just going to replace them. 3 goes in for x. Actually, I'll change this color for you so you see it. And the y, I put in 5. So I have multiplication in parentheses. The parentheses happen first. 3 times 5 minus 3, 2, gives you 6. Everything in blue, what's already there. My z value is 5. My x value is negative 5. So I have to do division first. 5 times negative 1 is negative 5. I replace the m value with negative 3. I replace the p value with negative 6. I multiply left to right. So negative 2 times the negative 3, that's positive 6. Times the negative 6 equals negative 36.